Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can off tap sound in your Infinix Smart 6 device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video for more videos. So let's start. First you have to go to phone and then you have to go to settings, and you can see there is a advanced. Go to settings option, settings, then go to sound and vibration, swipe down, then go to advanced option, and you can see friend tap sound here. You can just turn it off, and now no touch sound is enabled. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and like our video. Thanks for watching.